It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Wednesday, March the 9th. I'm Michael Groff. Another Chamber of Commerce sort of day around here today. Sunny sky, high temperatures getting into the lower 70s. By tomorrow, a cold front will move across the area, and that will bring about an increase in wind, and we will see some widely scattered rain and snow showers across northern Arizona, maybe an isolated shower here in the deserts, and temperatures to remain a little bit below average for the rest of the week. But by this weekend, a pattern change starts to take place. A big warm-up will happen, and that will continue into at least the first half of next week. Some desert spots across southeast California and southwest Arizona will flirt with 90 degrees by the middle of next week. All right, let's talk about it. First, looking at the almanac from yesterday, 66 degrees the afternoon high, 44 was the morning low. The normal high is up to 76 and the normal low 53. And looking out there right now at 6:05 a.m., clear sky here in Phoenix. We're starting out at 46 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew point at 19, relative humidity 34%, the winds are light, and the barometer is steady. The upper air look this morning shows a long wave trough across much of the contiguous United States and a northwesterly flow here over Arizona, so that's keeping temperatures just a little bit below seasonal averages. The watch warning map does show some winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings well to our north across Idaho, Utah, Wyoming, Colorado, and out into portions of Kansas, Nebraska, Iowa, and Missouri. And we did have a tornado watch over parts of Florida and southeast Alabama, southwest Georgia earlier this morning. That has since expired. We even had a few tornado warnings down there. There could still be some isolated severe storms across parts of the Florida Panhandle and southern Georgia as we go through the morning hours, but it looks like the tornado threat is diminishing. And speaking of, taking a peek at the convective outlook for today, we do have the standard slight risk of severe storms over extreme southeast Alabama, North Florida, parts of Georgia, and South Carolina. And here's a look at precipitation, valid through next Wednesday morning from the WPC. Rain amounts in Phoenix, very little, if anything. Most of the precipitation confined to the higher terrain of northern and eastern Arizona, where some rain and snow is possible with a system coming in here later tonight, tomorrow, and lingering into early Friday. And that will bring about some windy conditions, and we will start to see a major pattern change thereafter. We'll talk about all of that as we dive into the models right now. Have a look at it. This is the GFS. It's the 06Z run. This is valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. Long wave troughing continues over a good portion of North America, and we are on the southwestern flank of that. There is a wave developing on the trough to the north of us, and that will swing through here tomorrow, a northwesterly flow here today. So down at the surface, sunny sky, another beautiful day, high temperatures right around 70, maybe sneaking into the lower 70s. Tonight we're clear, cool, overnight lows mainly in the 40s. And then for tomorrow, a short wave will move across the Four Corners. That's going to push a surface boundary south and eastward across the state tomorrow and tomorrow night. And there just isn't a whole lot of moisture associated with this feature. Still, enough dynamic cooling and stronger winds in the upper levels exist to facilitate some widely scattered rain and snow showers across northern and eastern Arizona. Maybe an isolated shower right along the front here in Phoenix tomorrow afternoon. So the day looks partly cloudy otherwise, with increasing southwesterly winds, 10 to 20 miles per hour. Could see occasional higher gusts right along or just behind that front. And high temperatures tomorrow should still manage to make it into the lower 70s. This system does not look to be quite as vigorous as some of our previous models had suggested, though. As we go to Friday, there just isn't a big push of cool air behind this. Yeah, temperatures might be about 1 to 3 degrees cooler for Friday. Highs pretty close to 70, and maybe an occasional breeze, and that's going to be about it. But then as we go to the weekend, high pressure is going to build in, and a big warming trend starts to take place. Our northeast Pacific ridge is also going to be breaking down. So the overall weather pattern across North America will be shifting. Highs here in Phoenix on Saturday managing to make it to the mid and upper 70s. And then by Sunday, we could be in the low 80s with sunny sky. On Monday, mid 80s are possible. And then by Tuesday, this could be the warmest day of the forecast period. Highs in the mid to upper 80s in Phoenix. And the hottest desert spots of southeast California, southwest Arizona flirting with or maybe even exceeding 90 degrees. But as we go to a week from today, this is Wednesday the 16th. Previous model runs had suggested a deeper trough coming in here for the latter half of next week. They have since backed off on that idea, now showing more of a shallow wave coming through. That would still cause temperatures to retreat several degrees, but likely remaining above normal, and certainly no precipitation in that configuration. Then, as we go out 10 days, this is Friday the 18th, And you can see that Northeast Pacific Ridge is gone, now replaced by troughing up there. We've got a ridge here, more of a progressive flow pattern, a northwesterly flow aloft here. And so temperatures are likely to remain a bit above average with dry conditions to continue in the main storm track, probably remaining to the north of Arizona, at least for the time being. Looking at rainfall for Phoenix, coming off of the European ensemble, this goes out through the 23rd of March, and just under 40% of the members indicate that we'll see some precipitation with that system tomorrow. But realistically speaking, significant precipitation is not expected anytime soon. The ensemble mean is well under 1/10 of an inch. And how about those temperatures? Off the national blend of models, yeah, a warming trend will start to take place this weekend and into next week. You can see maxing out at 88 degrees out there by the early part of next week, and then temperatures backing off at least a little bit as we get out there toward 10 days. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video is due back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, click that notification bell, leave those comments, questions, and suggestions. I encourage you to check out my streaming station, particularly if you love music, because we play a ton of that over there and have a lot of fun while doing that. It's myself and the one and only Michelle that put that together for you. So I leave a link to it in the description. Do check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching and all of your continued support. It is greatly appreciated. Be safe out there today and have yourselves an amazing Wednesday.